This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise we'll draw pitched rafters between columns. Open the context modeler and click on the Draw Framing button. Then select the profile type and size from the options list. Activate the Draw Pitched Rafters button, making sure here that the other context buttons are deactivated. From the Levels button, select Apex for the top and Eaves for the bottom. Then move the cursor between any two columns and the rafter will be shown. Adjust the position of the cursor until the reference dimensions for both the eaves and the apex both read 0. This will indicate the rafter is in the correct position. But by moving the cursor further, you'll see the dimensions change. This is because the geometry hasn't been locked. We can lock or force these levels by activating the magnets for both the top and bottom levels. Once locked, we can then accurately place the rafters at will. Press enter or right-click the mouse button when done. There are other exercises with step-by-step instruction with each Parabuild installation. And if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.